The good thing about having a mowing trailer is you got a built-in ladder. So you just doop, 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 right up that, hit all those with the pole saw. Some safety cones. Put these safety cones out. Got them at the dollar store for like $1 a piece. There's one over there too. Pretty good idea for dropping this in the road. When you do a job, you want to make it seem like you were never here, you know? You want to do all your work and get the place really clean. You know, I was about to leave and I seen this trunk right here, and those stragglers need to be cut off. I mean, while I'm here, you know, go the extra mile, people. That'll take me 5 minutes and that'll look way better. Let's do it. Man, see how much better that looks? Now these people are going to be, you know, extra happy. And they'll be calling me back and spreading the word. Do a good job, people.